Welcome to my channel where we look at mastering YouTube growth, design hacks, and then some successful strategies that really works. Today I'm going to show you a most powerful method that you can use to get your 1000 subscribers and then 4000 watch hours very quick using Restream. I believe many of us have heard about Restream. Restream is a streaming platform that allows you to stream your videos live. Okay, so I quickly head over to my browser, then I search restream.io. Perfect. So it takes me to the Restream site. So you can see the site is loading, but before I take you through the Restream, let's quickly check some of the YouTube channels that are making it big with Restream. So let's go to YouTube. Let's search for this particular channel, Talk with KG. Okay, so you see this particular channel did a Restream 19 hours ago, and so let's quickly go to her channel. Okay, and then let's click on live. These are the live streaming videos she did over the period. Okay, congratulations to her. She has been able to reach over 4000 watch hours. So let's look at this particular video, come and eat with my family. Okay, so you can see the number of views, 183k views, which was streamed 19 hours ago. This video had 178k views, which was also streamed 23 hours ago. Okay, this one too was also streamed 186k views 1 day ago. So guys, the stream with Restream works. Okay, you can as well stream with other softwares like OBS. OBS is also a very nice software that can also help you to do streaming. Okay, so guys, as you've seen this, we will just head over to Restream, and then if you don't have an account, you quickly create an account. So for me, I've created an account. I'm on the free plan, and so if you like, you can go ahead and upgrade your plan. But if you don't, so you can click upgrade. So you can go for any of the upgrade plans. But for me, I'm using free plan and it's working perfectly. And I decided to make this video to also help you be able to do live streaming with Restream. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we are going to click on new stream, and then you click Restream Studio. That is streaming directly from your browser. Okay, here you make sure your audio is muted. Okay, I've always been talking about muting your audio so that your device doesn't pick any music around. Okay, if there is a music playing in your environment, your device will not be able to pick that, and YouTube will not be able to flag that music or audio in your streaming as copyrighted. So you turn your audio off. You make sure you turn your camera too off. So as you can see, I have blocked camera and microphone access, and so all these are turned off. And then you enter studio without camera. Okay, and then it takes you to your studio. Okay, so this is my Restream studio. The moment you get here, ensure that your orientation is portrait. Okay, so you can click on this part for your orientation to be portrait. You know, the idea is to stream a short form video. Okay, mostly those that subscribe to this and then those that comes to watch this are people who are interested in short videos. Okay, not long form videos. They are interested in short form videos. Okay, so you do that, and then after the orientation you change this place. Okay, that's the title for your live streaming event, so you change this particular title. Okay, so you put the title that describes your streaming event. Okay, so for me, I'm going to put a very beautiful title for my video. Beautiful car collection you can't wait to see. Okay, to see beautiful car collections you can't wait to see, and then I put some 2 or 3 exclamation mark there. I think 2 is okay for me. Okay, then the description, if you like, you can leave it. Those watching short videos don't really need description. Okay, so you can just leave that one, and then you can put a thumbnail, a very nice thumbnail. Okay, if you have one, you can put your thumbnail, okay, there. Okay, so we click on the thumbnail and then we upload a beautiful thumbnail. If you have a beautiful thumbnail, you can just quickly upload that one. So for me, I'm going to upload this particular thumbnail. So you can just zoom in as much to get your thumbnail covered. Okay, you can just quickly zoom as much to get your thumbnail covered. So you just crop that, and then you click update all, then you click the plus sign. There's a plus sign, then you click show more, then you click local video. Okay, then you choose your video, you upload your video. So you choose your video. Perfect. Okay, so when you choose your video would be automatically imported, and then after importing your video, you click on this 3 dots. Okay, then you click this particular icon. Okay, you click this particular icon called the loop video icon. Okay, so you click on this, and then you would see that the loop video is marked correct. Okay, so once it's ticked, that means your video is going to be looped over and over. Okay, the moment it plays to the end, it would repeat itself continuously. Okay, you wouldn't have to do that, it will do that automatically for you. So by this, we are going to stream. Okay guys, we are going to go live. After you have done with that setting, so remember the settings, we did change the orientation to portraits, and then from there we changed the title. Okay, and then we updated our thumbnail. Okay, and then we ensure that the screen is selected on portrait. Okay, our screen is on portrait, and then the last option that we just did is the loop. Okay, we have looped the video. After this point, we need to add our channel. Okay, we need to specify the channel that we want to stream. Okay, so you will just click, you add your channel. If you haven't add your channel, you can just follow, you click add channel, it would take you to YouTube, and then you follow the on-screen prompts to add your channel. Okay, and then when your channel is added, it becomes like this, and then you can just click go live. So we've automatically gone live, guys. Our video is going to be played over and over, so we just click the play to continue playing. So guys, that is how to stream on Restream. So we are going to leave this streaming for hours. Okay, we are going to stream for hours. If possible, stream for the whole day. You can even stream for 10 hours, 12 hours. You can stream for any number of hours that you want to stream, but the idea is to stream for long. Okay, just as you saw other people streaming, they had streamed for 22 hours, others have streamed for 6 hours. So depending on your time schedule, you can even leave the streaming when you're going to sleep. Okay, ensure that your data is on, your connectivity is stable. You leave that streaming for a very longer period, and trust me guys, you are going to get so many people to subscribe, so many watch hours from this particular style of streaming. This is Success Strategist. We give you legit way of building your channel, okay, to get more subscribers, to get more views, and to earn more money on YouTube. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thank you.